Okay, so this is the NYX Complete Lice Treatment Kit for hair and home, and my wife and I absolutely bank on this. It is the #1 lice treatment that you could buy on Amazon for any kind of lice issues. It's #1 rated. It's got over 4,000 ratings. Real easy to use. Our kids had this last year and it absolutely got rid of all of their lice, and just recently
well, they're in elementary school.
They're in elementary school.
They come home with it.
Yeah.
So
this is really cool. What's this do?
This is, you have to comb them like a little tiny section of hair
so
at a time,
okay.
and then this catches, you know, the eggs and the bugs. So they give you 2 of the cream rinse, like the #1, the treatment that helps kill the lice, which is nice if you're treating, you know, more than one person. So you have 2 of these, and then this. So the #1 would kind of be like your shampoo, and this would kind of be like your conditioner.
Oh,
so it's
okay.
easier to comb through.
I see.
Because you have to comb through everything. This is actually for like bedding and stuff.
Oh, that's for spraying on your, okay.
Yeah, you want to make sure that like all the sheets, everything has to be cleaned to get rid of all of it. But we use this stuff. I combed it out super thoroughly, and we didn't have any recurrences. We didn't have any, irritation from it or anything. So it worked really well.
I mean, it's the absolute solution to all your lice problems.
NYX is the best.
It's the best.
Lice treatment
Highly
brand
recommend.
there is. That's the only one that's really gonna work. So
Perfect.
yeah.
Get it.